if the goal difference, they might go up as well. Tara yo Binong ko lagi
Stephen Samir Binong भन्दै मात्र थिए अमनले यहाँ बिनोङ स्कोरमा आफ्नो नाम दर्ता गराउन सफल स्टिफन बिनोङ what a combination play, what a pass and what a finish. Stephen Samir Binong पोखरा थन्डर्सलाई खेलमा अग्रता दिँदै finally after so many attempts गोल आएको छ पोखराको लागि. That will be a big sigh of relief.
Definitely Ayush Khalanko yo pass jo idol chhodidiye Binong ko lagi, and goalkeeper Anjal Shrestha had no chance at all. Uni here, there you go, it just sniffed past him. Binong with that powerful shot. Binong ko यस प्रतियोगितामा यो दोस्रो गोल, a very vital goal. आवाज सुरुवाती अवस्थादेखि नै जुन प्रकारले डोमिनेट गरिरहेको थियो पोखराले, they might have been frustrated because गोल आइरहेको थिएन, but this, as you said, is a sign of relief.